a while. Oh my God, Gilda.
Oh yeah.
Shit.
It's been too long.
Yo.
Too long.
You don't like us no more. You know.
That's what happens, yeah.
Well, we got some other people famous. You know, I'm talking about. It's fine. You know. No hard feelings. You know what I'm saying, right? No hard feelings. I got my assistant, Sandra got a little, you know, she had to, I think she became evangelic right now. Yeah, she's really going with the church. Oh, that goes well, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, and then the girls that we start pretty much, Misha and Sandra. Misha also stepped down, but she's taking classes, you know what I'm saying, right? She's more taking classes. And right now it's just me and...
So what happened? Taking classes?
Huh?
She's always here all the time.
No, baby.
Misha, I'm saying.
Yeah. No, she here too. You're gonna see her, but the instructors right now is only me and Gita, right? Yeah, because I'm working with a machine right here. Who's my son? Yeah, I'm working with a machine right here. Yeah, she's the only one who can put up with my shit. Yeah.
That must be hard.
Yeah.
Hard for you, Kevin.
You know what I'm saying?
You don't see that? I don't know how you do it, but it's all good.
She wasn't doing the video clip with Destiny's House. I'm a survivor. Yeah, she's a survivor. But she got a percentage on she got her
She's getting something.
No, she got royalties on the company though. Yeah, she got royalties. So, I mean, if I go down, she go down. Yeah, so. If I go down, she go down. Yeah. What is my song? Put Cristo, all right? I say put Cristo, okay? Yeah, because I'm Michael Jackson, she's still, all right? Yeah. Let go. Man, I miss my girl. Shit. You got the other one? Oh, yeah, that's good. I should put the white shoes to look like Michael Jackson. It's true.
So you want to wear the white shoes?
Oh, why don't you just do half in black and half in white?
Ah, Shani, you American. You see this girl? She American. Yeah. She American right now. Oh my God, get that. We got balance issues right now.
I didn't know you were starting.
Yeah, she cannot handle the new weight. She cannot handle
dancing all weekend.
the new weight. She cannot handle the new weight. Let's go, girl. See what you got. fast, go fast. So this is slow. Yeah. Now this one we can do a fast and we can do it slow. Now let's go. Oh, that tells you about how good, how good, yeah. And give yourself some credit, yeah.
See, that's what I've been about her song. What's the fast one on first?
No. So let's work right away on your, because you're tapping, right? So when I'm right here with you, you don't have nothing to, like fruit or something. No, try it. Yeah.
Okay. I'll go get something.
Oh, it's just a juice. Yeah.
I won't say no to fruit. I'll do it.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not sugar free?
No, just, hey.
No, but fruit. I just want
We better financial, bro. Yeah. Keep your money. Right here. Here we go. Yeah. 5, 6. Get that like, Mama, what the fuck you saying? 5, 6. No, exactly that. Just the top. Top, continue. Yeah, again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Continue. Top, continue. Yeah, but now you continue like you want to go somewhere. Where? Just come towards me, Jesus. Again, but you know, as a nigga, again, put things snitch on you guys. I mean, you guys all hate Putin right now. But yeah, nah. But calm. Yeah, nah. To me, okay? Yeah. Right, calm. Stop, more. Stop. Again. Don't. Take your time. Yeah. Don't. Okay. Take your time. Stop. Yes. That was the one. So you come this way again. 5, 6, 7, go. Stop. Don't. Stop. Nice. Yeah. Again. Stop. Close your, like your mother. Alright. Stop. Yes. Okay, now put your weight more. Yeah. Peter's gonna help you with the gym. How you look for the girl right here. You're gonna put your weight and weight again. Shit, weight. I'm 41 now.
You're still young. You're a baby.
Young my ass, motherfuckers. That's the niggas my age. Yeah, they gone. Yeah. But right here. But no, it's not drinking. That's called not drinking. Yeah. But yeah, I saw some of my young photos, man. I felt bad. Yeah. I didn't feel bad.
No.
I felt good.
Yeah.
Once upon a time,
Right?
But more shine, push right here. There you go. Up. Right here you go. Up. Yeah. Exactly. Now when I do that movement, hip again. You forgot again. Hip. Yeah. But
more, exaggerate.
Bring that.
I ain't got a lot.
She weak, man. She's not giving me that. I get a 5, 6, yes, Take your time again, one more time. Don't forget the top that we did. Top, yeah, nice. Hip, yes, now we're gonna try both sides. Hip, and then hip, yes. Hip, yeah, continue, don't stop. Even if you engage with the hip, sometimes I will stop. If I don't stop you, you gotta go. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, hip, yes. Take your time, hip, yes. No hip.
No hip.
Again, 5, 6, because you're engaging too much, so it's hard to cross like 5, 6, 7, go. Good.
Yeah, just have to put
Not
the
with
shoes
these
on.
boots.
No.
You know, Dr. Kizomba, you know, with somebody.
Yeah, music
Our
on
name is on the wall. Yeah. I know. Let me play music for Shani. Again, Shani, again. Let me stop fucking up. 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness. You didn't even tell me that I didn't have. Yeah. Go 5, 6, 7, Shani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Tell me you were continuing.
Yeah.
Tell me you were continuing.
So she just from here, Jinga, come in, Jinga, come back, Manda. Yeah. She already worked on this one. Pop, yes. Pop right here, pop right there, and then she can continue doing that stuff, yeah? That's just for today, yeah? And then, show me that book, yeah.
Goodbye.
Show me that book. She got it, yeah, she got it. That's right, I'm doing something. That's right, I'm
On
doing
the
something.
journey,
Maybe she gotta go to my guy. The one that I put gel on.
Cute.
Yeah. And then he can make a bodybuilder.
That would be cool.
I got a girl for you.
So, what was I going to say? Because the move, the balancer, a good way is to really go. Yes, because at one point you can decide to walk. So it's not just doing this and staying there. You go and as if you're gonna, yes, so you can go. So 5, 6, 7, go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. You see, we're editing that because we're not really stepping forward. 5, 6, 7, go. So 1, diagonal, 5 to go that way. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3. The first step is step forward. After this one, you do tap, 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 cross, close. 5, 6, 7, on y va. Et 1, 2, 3.